Intervals are the distance between two notes. Intervals played separately are called melodic intervals. Intervals played together are called harmonic intervals. The name of the interval comes from the distance between the lowest note and the highest note. Example, C to A is a major sixth. There are two categories of intervals, diatonic and chromatic. Diatonic intervals are notes that appear naturally in the major scale. Chromatic intervals are notes that are not in the major scale. Chromatic intervals also require accidentals like sharps and flats. We spent a lot of time in the last section on major scales. Now we're going to use the major scale to learn intervals. We'll use the major scale that starts on the same note name as the bottom note of the interval. For example, the bottom note of this interval is C, so we'll want to use the C major scale. The bottom note of this interval is E flat, so we want to use the E flat major scale. Bottom note F, F major scale. Bottom note A flat major scale. That's the basic idea. When learning intervals, use the major scale that starts on the same note name as the bottom note of the interval. Let's look at diatonic intervals first.